On April 13th, 2029, a Friday the 13th, an asteroid the size of the Eiffel Tower will pass so close to Earth it will fly below our own satellites, closer than the machines we launched into space. Its name is Apophis, named after the Egyptian god of chaos, darkness, and destruction, and NASA has been watching it since the day they found it, because what they discovered terrified them. When astronomers first calculated its path in 2004, they gave it a 1 in 37 chance of hitting Earth. That was the highest impact probability ever recorded for an asteroid of this size. Apophis is a near-Earth asteroid, a space rock whose orbit around the Sun crosses Earth's orbital path. There are thousands of them. Most miss us by millions of kilometers. Apophis does not have that kind of margin. 370 meters wide, larger than the Eiffel Tower, larger than the Empire State Building, traveling at 7.4 kilometers per second. And in 2029, it will come within 31,000 kilometers of Earth's surface. Our geostationary satellites orbit at 35,786 kilometers. Apophis will pass at 31,000. It will fly through our satellite network. Humanity has never experienced anything like this in recorded history. Here is where it gets truly frightening. In space, there exists what scientists call a gravitational keyhole, a specific corridor only 600 meters wide in the void of space. If Apophis passes through that exact window in 2029, it comes back in 2036 on a direct impact course, not a close pass, a hit. Scientists calculated the impact energy at 1,200 megatons. That is 80,000 Hiroshima bombs detonating simultaneously. If it hit ocean, and 70% of Earth is ocean, the tsunami generated would be 100 meters tall. Every coastal city within 1,000 kilometers would be erased within hours. If it hit land, the crater would be 5 kilometers wide. The shockwave would flatten everything within 100 kilometers instantly. The dust cloud would block sunlight globally for months. NASA is not sitting still. The OSIRIS-APEX mission, originally OSIRIS-REx after delivering samples from asteroid Bennu, is now redirected toward Apophis. It will arrive and orbit the asteroid during the 2029 flyby. And we already know we can move asteroids. In 2022, NASA's DART mission deliberately crashed a spacecraft into an asteroid and successfully changed its orbit. Humanity has already deflected a space rock. We have the technology. Here is the update NASA confirmed in 2021. After more precise measurements, Apophis will miss the keyhole in 2029. The 2036 impact is officially ruled out. Current probability of impact, essentially 0.
But here is what nobody is talking about. When Apophis passes in 2029, Earth's own gravity will reshape its orbit. Slightly. We cannot fully calculate what that new orbit looks like yet, because we don't know exactly what Apophis is made of. There are at least 7 more close approaches in the next 100 years. Some we cannot calculate yet, because the 2029 flyby will change everything about Apophis's future path. We are flying partially blind beyond 2029, and Apophis is just the one we know about. Right now, NASA tracks over 2,350 potentially hazardous asteroids. Last year alone, they discovered 107 new ones. The universe is not empty. It is full of rocks with our name on them. On April 13th, 2029, you will be able to walk outside, look up at the sky, and see Apophis with your naked eye. Moving, crossing the stars. A 370-meter rock that could have ended everything, passing close enough to see. It will pass. The calculations say it will pass. But in 2029, for one night, every human being on Earth will look up at the same sky. And remember that we are not alone in this solar system. And it does not care about us. The universe has been throwing rocks at this planet for 4.5 billion years. So far, life has survived every single one. The question has never been if an asteroid will threaten Earth again. The question is, will we be ready when it does? If this video made you feel small, good. Subscribe to Beyond Earth, because next week, we go somewhere even more terrifying.